Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana making another video today in my series of videos for beginners to learn how to restore vintage outboards. Today's video is going to be on finding part numbers for your vintage motors and places to buy these parts. So if everybody's ready, let's get started. Here we go. So my first resource for finding part numbers is going to be a website called Marineenginecom. It's an awesome site. That's where I find my part numbers. You can search by motor, year, horsepower, and a diagram comes up with all the part numbers, and you get the exact part number to find. There's also another resource right here, the Sierra catalog. They're awesome. I use this catalog mostly for kits, carb kits, water pump kits, gear case kits, not the individual parts, but that's another good resource. Between those two, you ought to be able to find all the part numbers that you need. And now, as far as for buying the parts, I highly recommend eBay. You know, they don't really make these parts anymore, but they do make the impellers and the gaskets and the seals and all that, so eBay would be the place to find the parts that they don't make, which would be the shift knobs, all the handles, and all the breakable parts. You have to buy them used, so most people list their stuff on eBay, which, by the way, I also have an eBay store. And if you get on eBay and search for T-Mike's Vintage Outboard, you'll find my store and you can get parts from me. So hope this helped you out. In summary, I gave you two resources for finding the parts. One is Marineenginecom and the other one was the Sierra catalog. And then I gave you a resource for actually purchasing the parts, which was eBay. So between these three resources, you'll be able to find all the part numbers and the parts that you need to restore your vintage outboard motors. Magic. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on subscribe, and I'll add in the description some of the locations to find these resources. Thank you very much. You'll have a good day. Les bon temps roulé.